Hola mi gente and welcome back to Sticky Counters. Today's topic is the difference between tequila and mezcal. Now let's get into it. Now the main difference between tequila and mezcal is the origin. Where does it come from? Well, tequila can actually be made from 5 places in Mexico. So you have Jalisco, Michoacan, Nayarit, Guanajuato, and Tamaulipas. Now mezcal can be made in Oaxaca, Durango, San Luis Potosí, and also other regions in Mexico. But one of the biggest things is probably flavor, because mezcal has that smoky flavor that it's not for everybody. It's almost like an acquired taste, and tequila is something a little bit more subtle, so there's no smoke in it. Now, let's start with the tequila. Let's taste it and see how it goes. I mean, I'm a big fan of tequila and just anything agave, so to me, this is perfect. Now, the thing is that this tequila actually comes from the highlands of Mexico. Now, what does that mean? If you have the agave plant coming from the highlands, there's going to be different climate, there's going to be different soil. So that's really going to change the flavor profile of the agave. So when it comes from the highlands, it's going to yield more of a sweeter agave. So think of like caramel, vanilla, toffee, all those like warm flavors. Now when you're going to the lowlands of tequila, lowlands in Jalisco, you're going to have an agave that's more earthy, peppery, and herbal, which, you know, it's completely different because, again, the climate and the soil. Now with mezcal, you have that smoke flavor. Now why do you get that smoke? It's not from the agave, it's actually from the cooking process. So the mezcaleros, what they do is they build a big pit in the ground, right? And they line it with lava rocks, and then they throw the agave in there, and then they smoke it with, you know, some charcoal and some wood, and now you're getting that signature mezcal taste. So let me just taste a little bit. Yeah, so right up front, you're getting that fruitiness of the agave, like the nice sweetness, but also you're getting that smoke from the smoking process. Now, when making mezcal, you can use a lot of different types of agaves, but the most common ones being espadin, which right here we have Dos Hombres Joven Espadin Mezcal. But you also have Tobola, Tepextate, you have different types of agave. And every time you use a different type of agave, you're gonna have a different flavor profile in the end product. Now, what is an agave? What does it look like, right? Well, an agave, think of like a pineapple. Think of a little pineapple, right? And just multiply it by like 20, 30. It is a massive piña, a massive pineapple. And that's the main ingredient. Now, with tequila, it has to be made from 100% Blue Weber agave. So now that you've learned a little bit about mezcal and tequila, what do you make with these two items? Well, on my previous episodes, I actually made a guava margarita with another type of tequila, but after tasting this one, I feel like those flavors just mesh very well because I'm getting that vanilla, I'm getting the toffee, I'm getting the caramel, those bacon spices. It goes very well with the guava that I used in my previous episode. So if you want to learn how to make that guava margarita, all you have to do is just substitute that tequila for this tequila, and the link is right here. So go check it out. Now, next we have mezcal, that smoky flavor. What do you make with that? Well, you're in luck because I already shook up a delicious mezcal cocktail. Now, all you have to do is, again, check out the video above and you're gonna be able to learn how to make a mezcal mule. So all you would have to do is just swap out the mezcal that I used in that previous episode and put this instead. And trust me, you're gonna thank me because these are just fantastic and easy cocktails that you can make at home with not a lot of ingredients. So it's cocktails on a budget, so get that out there. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about tequila or mezcal, drop a comment below. And if you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button. And now it's time for you to get shaken. Cheers.